Hi guys, this is Martin from Nokia Hub, as you already know, and I'm holding here the wireless charger which will come together with Nokia 9 quite soon. The model is named DT-10W or 10W, and you see it's Nokia wireless charger designed by HMD Global, and this device it's gonna be coming soon together with Nokia 9, which supports the wireless charging. It looks quite nice. There is a indication light here at the front, which will tell you when the device is charging. It's quite small, and it just is covered by the Nokia 9 nicely, as you can see on the photo provided. So the standard USB cable here, I don't think it's a USB-C. Let me just check it if I can. No, I can't. I'll check about that later on. So this is the DT-10W. It has the rubbery caps down there, so it doesn't slide on the surface. And it's shiny at the back, but with matte finish on front, so the device won't slide when it touches down. I like it. Hope you do. Bye bye.